guys, it's me again. I just I don't know, I was in the mood to put some makeup on because I just dyed my hair. Yeah. So I guess today we're just gonna do some makeup together. Yay. I don't really have a plan for what I'm gonna do today. I know I just want to play around with some purple because since I dyed my hair purple, I just want to play around with some purple and see how it looks. So yeah, we'll do some purple look. Since I just filmed my hair video, I already have my concealer and foundation on. So let's go. So for today's look, and for basically all of my looks, I'm gonna use my Desert Dusk palette by Huda Beauty because I just love it so much. My brother and his girlfriend bought it for me for my birthday, and honestly I've been using it every day. Look at this, it's so pretty. This is you guys. It's so pretty, like, oh my god. Okay, so first off, I'm gonna grab my brush. I don't really remember where I got these brushes. Pretty sure it's like a drugstore or something. I think I received them from, you know, I don't know, I'm pretty sure I got a bunch of brushes at a drugstore. Let me bring you guys a bit closer. Hi. Can you see? Okay. Oh yeah, I need to pin up my bangs because I don't like doing my makeup with my bangs out. And now you're seeing a side of me that I don't like showing. Usually I'd put my hair up too, but let's be honest, it looks like shit if I do. So I'm gonna stay like this. So I'm gonna, by the way, I am not a professional at all, so I might use my brushes like wrong or stuff, so please don't attack me again. Thanks. So I'm gonna use this brush for just putting down a base on my lid. I'm gonna use that one here. It's called Desert Sand. So I'm gonna do that. Some people just use like concealer and setting powder to set down set their eye before doing their eye makeup. I just prefer doing some skin toned powder. I don't know why. I have concealer underneath and then I put the natural like skin tone color. I don't know why. It's just a thing I do. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do like one look that I've already done. The sun is just, if I do this, that is better. Not at all. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do a look that I've already done before. Oh my god, you can see all the cables behind me. It's nothing, don't worry about it. But I don't know yet if I'm just gonna use like this glitter or this glitter. I think the look that I did before was this one and this one. So I don't know. I'll see. Maybe I'll do both. I don't know. So let's go. So I'm gonna grab some of this one and put it in my crease. The crease, I'm gonna use my Flormar Perfect Coverage Liquid Concealer. It's upside down. No, it wasn't. Okay. So I suck at this. And basically, which color is this? It's the number 2. It's too dark for me, so usually I use it with a light concealer, or just like today to get the crease, because basically it's just covered up with glitter later, so it doesn't matter if it's like a bit too dark. So I'm putting the concealer on my brush, my flat brush. Focus. Thank you. And just cutting the crease. I think I'm gonna go like halfway. Yeah, I'm gonna go halfway. I think I'm gonna go with the Twilight glitter, because I think it would look best. The Royal is a bit too pinkish, reddish, if that makes sense. So basically when I put glitter I just use my finger, because I think brushes like take too much and it's not easy to apply glitter with a brush basically. So I'm gonna go with my finger. See, it picks up a lot more. I went to dampen my beauty blender so I could put concealer on. So then again I'm using the Sephora concealer in Pink Porcelain. So what I actually do before doing my eyeliner and like waterline stuff is basically powder my face first. So what I mean is highlighter and setting powder. Usually I take either a brush or my beauty blender to set my face. These days I've been using a beauty blender because I think it's good. It packs more on the face than the brush, in my opinion. I don't contour because I don't know how, and usually I don't put blush on because I don't know how either. I've bought a blush from Cookies Makeup. I've been trying to like use the blush more, but it always like end up looking dirty on me. I think it's because I don't know how to use it. I don't know. So for highlighter, I'm gonna use the Becca one in the color Prismatic Amethyst. It's like one of my first highlighters that I bought, and I've used it a lot already. Can't really show you because it's gonna fall out, but yeah, I've used it a lot. What I'm gonna do is first I'll do the under eye area because I want to smoke it out a bit, because right now it looks like really heavy on the top and on the bottom there's nothing. I'm gonna close down my window again because I think I'm like super pale right now. I'm sorry if the lighting keeps changing, but my skin does not look good when it's under the sun, because it like focus. It makes it look like super bright and just white. So I'm gonna go back in the I think it's the amethyst. A lot of amethyst today. Color for the under eye, and I'm just gonna smoke it out a bit. So I'm gonna do my eyeliner next, and we're almost done, I promise. I've been using these products for like years, and in my opinion they're the best, for at least for me. So first I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Super Liner Perfect Slim to trace out my wing. And then to fill it out, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Linerefine Liner Express. This one. So we're gonna quickly put the mascara on, then the lips, and we're done. So for mascara, I'm using the Miracle Lash Ultra Black Mascara from Golden Rose, which is also from Cookies Makeup. So my camera stopped recording while I was applying the gloss. This is good. So I think I'm gonna stop with that. Let down the bangs. They look bad, as always. Okay. I'll open the window so you can see a bit more. Yeah, so that's the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I think I'm gonna do some more in the future, because I really like how talking while applying makeup. It's fun. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you all later. Bye.